Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are healthy and happy at home. Welcome back to Maths class. Today's topic is what is an equation?
Good morning, students. We have been doing the chapter of algebra, chapter 11. So today's topic is what is an equation? Before understanding this, let us understand the pattern. For making one L, we require two matchsticks. For making 2L, we require 4 matchsticks. For making 3L, we require 6 matchsticks. So if we go through the table, for 1, we require 2. For 2, we require 4. For 3, 6. For 4, 8. For 5, 10. For 6, 12. For 7, 14. For 8, 16, and so on. So the rule becomes for n matchsticks, we require 2 multiplied by n. Now let's understand what is an equation. So now if we see a measuring weight, measuring balance, we see that the left hand side should always be equal to right hand side. Here, if on the left hand side I have x minus 3 and on the right hand side I have 10. So what should I put in the value of x so that both left hand side and right hand side becomes equal? So the value of x must be 13 so that left hand side is equal to right hand side. To summarize, any equation like above is a condition on a variable. It is satisfied only for a definite value of the variable. So, for the equation with the variable, there should be variable and equal to sign between. So, there are two conditions. One is equal to sign in the equation and other is a variable for the equation with the variable. Now coming to exercise 11.5, state which of the following are equations with a variable. Give reasons for your answer. Identify the variable from the equation with a variable. So A part, 17 is equal to x plus 7. Yes, it is equation with variable because there is variable also and equal to sign also. So the two conditions are satisfying. The first condition is there should be equal to sign in between and the other is there should be variable. So here the variable is equal to x. Coming to the B part, t minus 7 is greater than 5. No, it is not an equation because there is no equal to sign between. There is variable but no equal to sign between. So this is not an equation. Now coming to the C, 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. Now this is an equation but this is not an equation with a variable because there is no variable in this. No, it is not an equation with a variable as there is no variable. So the two conditions must be there. One is equal to sign and one is variable for the equation with the variable. So thank you children. God bless you all and I hope you will be able to do the practice exercise given below.